Here at Autism Behavioral Center, we have a therapy service dog in training. His name is Fritz. He's been coming here ever since December. He comes to work every single day. He interacts with some of our clients and helps with children to come out of their shell. A lot of kids can relate to him because he's also nonverbal. Some clients can be nonverbal and they sort of relate, and most importantly, he becomes a friend to them. And they like to interact with him, cuddle with him, play with him. He loves it all. He also helps with them becoming a little bit more independent. Interacting with someone that they can relate to definitely helps. He is still in training, so in the future we plan on helping him with some of our clients. Yeah, I had no idea. Fritz, go, tunnel, tunnel, tunnel. Good boy. And then he throws it off. Come. Go, tunnel, tunnel, tunnel. Good boy, come. Good boy. You want to come here? Bring me toy. Tunnel.
That's my fault. I confused him with the slide.
Yeah.